Myself Sumalata. My topic is social media analytics. Here are some of the contents for the social media analytics: introduction, objectives, area of the project, methodology, benefits to the organization, future scope, conclusion, references. So, introduction: social media analysis is the process of gathering and analyzing data from social networks such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. It is a collection. It is commonly used by the marketers to track online conversation about the product and companies. So, the social media data is being analyzed in many different disciplines. Mainly 4 stages of social media analytics: data discovery, collection, preparation, analysis. Data discovery is a term related to business intelligence technology, and collection, it is the process of collecting data from different databases like Facebook, Twitter. And preparation is the act of manipulating raw data into a form that can readily and accurately be analyzed. For example, business purpose analysis. Analyzing is the nothing but assess the data from social network such as Facebook, Instagram. So while there is a great deal of literature on the challenges and difficulties involving specific data analysis method, here literature has focused on the role of big data in information spreading. There hardly exists research on the stages of the data discovery, collection, and preparation. So here conducted an extended and structured literature analysis through which we identified challenges and addressed and solution proposed. So literature search revealed that the volume of data was most often cited as a challenges by the researchers. It contrasts other categories have received less attention. The findings are used to extend an existing framework on social media analytics. Objectives: engage local followers and grow a greater community presence. Startup: build a awareness for a new product and generate a leads for it. Enterprise company provide a timely customer services channel to boost customer. High-end brand awareness. So it creating a brand awareness, suretiness the sales process, increase the market share, and position brands as a leader in its sector, and increase the size of social communities and accurately target audience. For example, community performance, community progression, share of community voices, share of voice by channel, social visit. Strength enhancement strategy to increase customer loyalty. So it create a long lasting relationship between the target audience and the brand. Monitor customer feedback. So in order to improve customer experience, it is necessary to capture the customer opinions regarding the relevant products. So area of the project. So in area of the project, social media analytic is for a business marketing purpose derived from a social media analytics. May include use customer enhancement with could be measured by the number of followers for a Twitter account and number of retweets and mentions of a company's names. So social media analytics, a business can also look at how many people follow their presence and feedback and the number of time people interact with the social profile by sharing or linking their post. So Here some of the areas mentioned: District Telecom, monitoring and analyzing online reputation; Netscape, Dols Guste, analyzing and optimizing performance of social media initiatives. Example: marketing companies; Merck KGA, researching trends for market research purpose; hospitality industry, identifying key touch points along the customer journey. Methodology. So this paper used qualitative approach which consists of a semi-fixed structure. Questionnaires distributes on a stratified samples. The sample are social media Egyptian users who are resident in Egypt with their families and occupying a job in Egypt also. Some of the benefits mentioned written here. So it is useful to the investing in social media analytic tools is they help you optimize your content, find the best influencer for your brand, benchmark against your competitors. Benchmark assess the relative performance of an object, identify trending topics. So trending topic is one or more social media platforms for a limited duration time. So we can choose the best performing content, reshare. Overall company status. So company status see the information about its current state, created and detected unexpected problems with the company, like for example eligible or not, or limited by a budget, like this. So social customer service metrics such as a average responded, improve the customer relations, identify and enhance with your top customers, engage better with audience. Many business have a hard time keeping up with the vast amount of social media activities that that impacts their brand. So we can also help a customer design your trust, identify and engage with the top customers. So it can be identify influencers and loyal customers who help to support for your business. Future scope. So future scope, not a single person density the popularity and significance of social media these days, because for last one decade of people irrespective of their age and gender using different social media platforms. This shows the scope of social media and its reach to everyone. The users of Twitter and Facebook have grown much quicker and grab their attention. So, social media analytic research should primarily be concerned with developing and evaluating scientific methods, technical framework and software tools and platform for tracking, modeling, analyzing and mining large scale social media data from an interdisciplinary perspective. Social media analytics provides other disciplines with methodological foundation for their social media related research. So development of corresponding data driven and dynamic decision making, a particularly in the business context. It should not be restricted to analyzing social media only. Rather, it also should addresses the interplay between the social and traditional media, which also include other online content and activities. So social media analytics as well as to answer the research questions from different disciplinaries. So these are the scopes. Conclusion. So social media provides a customer clarity about information related to generate and warranties of a product and service. Has it provide genuine product reviews, ratings, and feedback. So by using this, people was communicate, share to Twitter friends and family about the selfies, update event, new topics. For whatever you want, you can search. And the main use of this one is researchers and practitioners who wish to collect and analyze the social media data. So the best way to evaluate the importance of the social media in marketing is to realize the importance of social media in everyday life of people who are likely to become your customers. So social media marketing has become a necessity, one that is imposed to the business by the overall presence and impact social networks have on the users. So these are the some of the references for the social media analytics. Thank you.